How to start a photography business in Uganda. Everybody wants great photographs of important days or everyday memories. If you have a basic understanding of photography and want to expand your skills, starting a photography business could be the perfect way to develop your creative skill set and launch a profitable hustle. See our video on how to start a photography business so you can develop your creative skill set while making a side income or launching a full-time career. Here is how one can start a photography business in Uganda. Step 1. Purchase the right equipment. To set yourself up as a competitor in the photography industry, you'll need the best equipment possible. A professional studio will need not just a camera, but also lights, reflectors and backgrounds. Wedding photographers or nature photographers will need to invest in very high-quality cameras and accessories due to the more spontaneous nature of their subjects. A top-notch camera can cost several $1,000s, while individual lenses can cost up to $1,000 depending on their niches. You'll also need memory cards and potentially external backup drives to safely store images, which can easily cost about $100 each. Making a list of everything you need and pricing them out is important to get started. In addition to the camera, you'll need to purchase a license for photo editing software. Adobe Photoshop is the most well-known, so that's what most people start with. You'll also need a computer with high bandwidth and storage space because photo files can be large. Being able to store, edit and process all of these photographs is important for sending them to clients. If you're a film photographer, you'll need a whole other set of equipment, including access to a darkroom. Before going on a spending spree, research the materials you will need and price out what will best suit your needs for your business's initial stages of growth. Step 2. Consider your niche. At the same time as you purchase your equipment, you'll want to figure out your niche. If you're offering a full-service photography studio, it's still necessary to know who your ideal client is. If you want to take headshots exclusively, you'll need to set up your space and equipment in a way that serves that niche. There are many talented photographers, but you can create an edge in your photography business by providing services that other businesses might not. For example, if you're running a headshot studio, it would be a good idea to partner with a makeup artist who can provide touch-ups to your clients to get their portraits done. Step 3. Conduct market research. Before you start taking on clients, determine your rates and how to charge customers. If you want to charge hourly, make sure you're being compensated fairly for your time. Offering flat rates is good for customers as well. You can offer a variety of packages to clients so they'll know exactly what they're getting and you'll know exactly what work is expected of you. To know your competition in the photography business space, you have to research their offerings and see what's missing. Filling a gap in the market is always a possibility for new businesses. If you're very talented at editing, have a great studio space compared to other photographers, or even specialize in action shots, you can choose to charge a premium for these services. Photography businesses should also set rates for when customers request additional edits. Your time is at a premium, especially with photo editing because it takes a long time. And you should make it clear to customers that they should respect the time and attention you devote to this creative work. Step 4. Establish an online presence. Last but not least is establishing an online presence. Before anyone hires you, they're going to want to see examples of your work. Use a portfolio website builder to showcase the images that best display your skills and make sure your contact information and prices are displayed. Photography is a visual industry, so having a professional website is crucial to give potential clients a positive impression before you ever even meet them. If you want to allow clients to contact you through the website, make sure you find compatible customer relationship management (CRM) software that will make it easy to stay in touch with them through each step of the process. Some are also compatible with digital invoicing software that will help ensure you get paid on time. Bottom line: photography businesses can have a high startup cost, but if you have a strong vision and unique niche, it's a great place to nurture both creativity and business skills. Being the owner of a photography business can also be rewarding because you might end up photographing the best day of someone's life. If you're working on headshots, that could also create a big change or success for your client. Nature photographers also capture some of the most beautiful moments in the world. Even with all of the startup costs, a photography business creates and memorializes priceless moments.